Oh, parasailing.
Kaya pala marami nagpa-parachute, no?
In the sky.
So you might get lucky and see some of Paris. It also has one of the toughest mountain bike trails in the world, called the Psychosis. It's here, but they stopped it now because it's too dangerous. Too many guys were getting wiped out.
Wipe out.
Oh, it's bad. Like this hill is crazy. I can't believe people ever did it to begin with. I
I've
would.
just tried parasailing.
Have I tried what?
Yeah, parasailing.
Hot no.
She didn't trust that kind of
Yes.
Just go on.
Hindi
Just go
siya
on.
nagtitiwala sa
She's standing outside the road. Just go on YouTube and watch all the accidents with parasailing. Look at this tower. Look how crooked it is. Look, it's not even sitting straight. The water tower.
7 na tinatawag nila dito sa Canada. Napakataas. Kita ninyo yan. Yan yung town ng Golden. Yung buong yan, Golden yan. Golden BC. Kitang kita talaga lahat, oh. Nandito kami sa pinakatuktok ng bundok. Ito yung pinakamataas. Nakikita ninyo yung brown na bundok doon. Yung tinatawag na Old Mountain dito. So yung mga 1,000 years na daw yan. Yung brown na bundok na yan. Yan. Yung pinaka-old na bundok dito. Yan, oh. Grabe. Too much high. Dito sa kabilang banda to. Ayan. Napakataas. Dito sila tumatalo, no? Grabe, bigla na silang tatalon dito. Mga pa-parasailing. Yung nakikita natin naka-parachute. Dito yon.